Hello everybody, my name is Sean Miller, and in this video we will learn how to declare a function in Mathematica. And I'll just go through the basics. We're used to having a function, and it's usually an f of x function with a variable x under a transformation f. Like you can see, it would just be, we would think it would look like this, but actually it's not how Mathematica works. We can use f, however. We'll just declare a function f of x, brackets, x underscore, and then the next bracket. Notice how I have this underscore here. This underscore is only needed in the initial declaration of the function, and we'll just let this function equal x to the third. And there's our function. Let's see, now, as I said earlier, we don't need the underscore anymore. That was just used to declare our function. We can actually type in any variable that doesn't already have a value to it, such as t to the third. Let's say now we want to take the derivative of the function, and we usually are used to seeing this as f prime. Well, Mathematica has a similar notation for taking the derivative. We'll just have f prime of t, let's do x rather, and it will give us a derivative of our initial f of x, and notice it's f prime x, and now it's 3x squared. And if we need to take the second derivative, we'll just have f double prime brackets of x, and that'll give us a second derivative. And let's say we maybe wanted to plot a function. I'll just do, we'll just have an s, or I'm going to do a g function of x, and we'll just set this equal to sine of x. And see, the sine of x has brackets instead of parentheses. You would think it would be parentheses, but Mathematica doesn't understand that notation. So now we can just maybe plot our function here, and we'll just plot g of x, and we'll have x go from, we'll just put negative 10, negative 2 pi to 2 pi. And you can see here that it just simply graphs our g of x function, which we knew was our sine function. As you can see, here is a simple graph of a sine function. And we can actually use these functions, and we can multiply them with each other. So we have our f of x. We can just multiply by g of x. Now, as you can see, it gives us x to the third sine x. And, well, we can even just plug in a constant for our variable. So I guess it wouldn't really be a variable anymore, but we'll just see. So this would just plug in f of 2. You see we get 8, f of negative 1, which is just the same thing, negative 1 cubed. And this is 2 cubed, and there, we have our function. And in the next video I'll show some more practical uses for declaring functions. Thank you.